Okay, well, welcome to the IDX websites of EngageMore Pro. I'm just going to show you really briefly how it works inside of our system. If you order a website, then you'll be able to get access to the first draft of it. Is usually, depending on which version you order, can be anywhere between 3 to 7 days, but mostly your first draft is going to be ready way before the 7 days is up. Then you're going to have an opportunity to get some edits done depending on the version that you get, right? And we'll provide the edits for you if you're getting into the premium site. On the Essential, I'm going to give you training on how to add and edit however you want to. So if you, you'll just see I've got some versions of the sites up here if you want to take a look at them. These are just some of our agents' sites. I'll just take a look here. That last one was mine, and it's not fully done. I'm still working on it. But this one here is really, really pretty. It's got a lot of info in it already. And the other thing to note is that you have the ability here to integrate directly with Google My Business. So that information can all load right in here on this page on the website. So it's really nice. And if you want to get a review from somebody, it can automatically happen right inside the system. So once you do that integration, it's really sweet. So you can see how all that works. We integrate using IDX Broker. Please be sure you read through all the information about how IDX Broker works. There is an additional fee that you would pay monthly directly to IDX Broker. We can also integrate with iHome Finder too, so if you're interested in going with iHome Finder, let us know. The links you're going to get are going to go to IDX Broker. But here's another site that we've built. So we have a number of different templates that you can choose from, and this one's really pretty. It's got a nice little video here on it, as you can see. So you can do anything you want. Once you get access to your site, you'll be able to edit it all you want, really. And you'll also have access to get into the back end of your IDX Broker account to add in widgets and things that you want to do. I'm actually inside one of the leads that came into the system. So when the lead comes in, you can see that you'll have all the information here. You can turn on and implement any workflow. We've got plenty of workflows. So whether it's a buyer or a seller, however they're getting into your system. And you'll also have access to your leads dashboard. So let me click on that down here at the IDX leads dashboard. Click on that. Okay, so any leads that come in, you can actually set up how far back you want to go to see all the leads that have come in. You can click right on here and see exactly what they have viewed. You have the ability to add in to check reporting and view your entire list of leads and all of that right here. I think the other thing to know is that we've set up automations for you to help track the activity. So every time anybody's saving a home, also hotness levels, how often they're saving, how often they're viewing, all of that information is getting tracked inside of your account. Okay, so I'm going to jump over right now to just review the workflows that come with your IDX website so you have an idea of what's going on in here. So anytime anybody signs up on your site, or that you're pushing people to your site, which honestly everybody should do. Our workflows do that for you. Every single one of our nurturing campaigns and recurring campaigns will help nurture your leads, right? Well, our goal is to make sure that we're taking advantage of the activity that's going on because it's going to track that activity. So every time somebody actually saves a home or has activity going on the website, when they go to your site, you're going to be able to see all of that. So that's what we're creating these workflows for inside of your EngageMore Pro account, which is really important for you to identify the hot business. And why is that? Because every time you have anything going on with your leads, you really need to be tracking this stuff. It's so important because you don't have a whole lot of time in your day, right? So we want you to focus on those that are actually showing an interest in things that you are providing them, right? Or opening, like I've shown you before, opening and clicking emails, right? So anyway, we've provided you some workflows that come along with your IDX site if you decide to get a site in here. I'm just going to skip down to the lead score workflows because I think that is one of the hottest things about our system is that we have a lead scoring opportunity for you to actually track the activity that's going on in the system. And there's a couple of different places this occurs, and because not everybody has a website, we've got a spot that you can actually set your own scores inside the system. You can still set your own scores inside the system with or without a website. But this is lead tracking related to the activity actually happening on your site. So I just wanted to kind of show you the stuff that it's going to be tracking. They're saving properties. It's going to let you know when the score has gotten up based on the activity. We've got one that is actually going to grow the score as the activity goes, and it'll drop the score back if they stop doing things. So I think it's so key to be able to do that. Our whole thing is if you've got 30 minutes to do some prospecting tomorrow, you know who you want to spend time with, and I want you to focus on the people that are showing interest in what's going on in here, but whether the websites or the emails and all of that, right? So you can see the different types there. We're going to be tracking property views, property saved, and then give you some information to help you identify quickly what it is that they've done, right? So that's the bottom line. You got a website. We want to get people there. We're going to help get the people to your site, and your goal is obviously to get them to sign up, and I would encourage that at every opportunity. And if not, you know, whether or not you use our sites or not, you should be doing this in your own account, wherever your website is, right? So just so important. So that's the overview of the website. Hopefully you've got a good handle on what we can do to help you out. And if you're looking for the all-in-one solution, get in and get the upgrade for the site. And again, you don't need to have a website to use EngageMore Pro, and we can integrate with your sites if you want to keep your own site. Whatever you'd like to do, we're here to help you, and our goal is to help you sell more real estate. So, and that's why we've given you a couple of different ways to purchase and get the upgrades. You can get a premium site with an option to go to WordPress. You don't have to do WordPress. Or you can get one that's a little more affordable, and you can do a lot of the work on your own. Either way, we're going to show you how to edit the sites, and you'll be able to add any kind of search widgets you want to your site, and create pages to your heart's content. You got everything going that you need, and we'll be here every step of the way.